Good morning, student. Welcome back to online classes. Today I am going to teach you new lesson and the name of the lesson is Six Foolish Fishermen. So let's begin the lesson. Once there were six brothers who decided to go fishing. So they went to the river and picked good spots to fish. So once there were how many brothers? Six brothers. And they decided to go fishing. So they went to the river and picked good spots to fish. है ना, एक समय की बात है जब 6 ब्रदर्स थे और उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि वो मछली पकड़ने के लिए नदी के किनारे जाएंगे और उन्होंने ऐसा किया भी और एक अच्छा स्पॉट को चुना. I will sit in this boat, said the first brother. The first brother said, I will sit in this boat. पहला first brother, what he said? He said that I will sit in this boat. मैं इस नाव में बैठूंगा. And I will kneel on this raft, said the second brother. Kneel means to rest on knees, घुटने में, है ना, the knees as when praying or showing submission. So and raft means बेड़ा, पार उतरने का बेड़ा. So raft, passage boat, or a for traveling across water, often made of piece of wood tied roughly together and moved along with. That is called as a raft. You all have seen नदी के किनारे एक लकड़ी का जो बना हुआ रहता है पतला सा बेड़ा जिसके द्वारा हम उतरते हैं. ठीक है, तो सेकंड ब्रदर व्हाट ही सेड, आई विल नील ऑन दिस राफ्ट and I will lean on this log, said the third brother. What the third brother said? I will lean on this log. Lean means to move into a sloping position. Dubla. Log means people, means from where the people used to move into a sloping position. The third brother said, I will be on that side. So what third brother क्या बोला, मैं जहाँ से लोग जाते हैं वो पतला सा रास्ता वहाँ पर मैं रहूँगा. And what the fourth brother said, let's see. And I will stand on this bridge, said the fourth brother. Fourth brother बोलता है मैं पुल के पास रहूँगा. Stand on this bridge, said the fourth brother. मैं पुल के पास खड़ा रहूँगा. कौन बोलता है ऐसा? Fourth brother said. Now and I will lie on this rock, said the fifth brother. Fifth brother बोलता है मैं पत्थर के पास रहूँगा. Rock means पत्थर. And I will walk on this bank, said the sixth brother. Sixth brother said that I will walk on this bank. मतलब मैं नदी के किनारे रहूँगा, walk करूँगा यानी चलूँगा. And that is exactly what they did. Exactly what they said, they did also. And each brother fished from the spot he had chosen, and each one had good luck. And where they were, the sixth brother what they choose, exactly what the spot they choose, they used to do fishing from there only, and they had a good luck also. But when it was time to go home, the brother became a little worried. है ना, when it was time to go home, the brothers become a little worried. Let's see why they were worried about that. We have been near the river and over the river and on the river, said the brother in the boat. The brother who was sitting in the boat, he said that we have been near the river, नदी के पास थे, over the river, नदी के ऊपर या किनारे पे थे, on the river, नदी के तट पे थे. One of us might easily have fallen into the water and have been drowned. Now that brother is saying that one of us might easily have fallen into the water and have been ड्रोन मीन्स डाई और किल थ्रू सबमिशन इन वाटर। ड्रोन का मतलब क्या होता है? डूबा हुआ। तो उसमें से वो जो बोट में रहता है वो क्या बोलता है, हम मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई हम में से कोई एक ब्रदर पानी के अंदर डूब गया है, गिर गया है या डूब गया है। आई शैल काउंट ऑल द ब्रदर्स टू बी श्योर देर आर 6 ऑफ अस, एंड ही बिगेन टू काउंट। देन he was telling that I am sure that we all there are 6 of us, but he said that I will count it. Now he began to count. I see one brother on the raft, that's one. Now he counted where the brothers were doing the fishing. So first brother were on the raft. Raft means बेड़े के पास था. And another on the log, that's two. And where the second brother was there on the log means जहाँ से लोग उतरते हैं, ठीक है. And another on the bridge, that's third. And the brother who was near on the bridge, that's the third one. And another on the rock, that's fourth. And the fourth brother, where he was on the rock. And fifth brother was on the bank. Now he count only 5. We have lost a brother. In his sorrow, he did not even notice that he had forgotten to count himself. And on the sorrow, he did not count himself, and he counted only 5, and he forget to count himself. Why? Because he was in sorrow, and he was worried that one of brother he had lost, and one of the brother have fallen into the river and have been drowned. So let's see what's happened. Can it really be, cried the brother on the raft? Has one of us been drowned, and have we really lost a brother? And he too began to count. So can't it really be? He was telling that can't it be really the brother on the raft? राफ्ट में है क्या? बेड़े के पास है क्या? Has one of us been drowned, and have we really lost a brother? Now he was not realizing that whether we have lost our brother, and he too began to count. The brother who was in the raft, he was crying, and he was telling that has one of us been drowned, and now I am counting. Now that brother who was in the raft, he began to count. I see one brother on the log, that's one. Now he counted from the log. And another on the bridge, and he was telling that the brother who was on the bridge, it's two. And another one on the rock, that's the third one. And the fourth brother is on the bank, and the fifth one is in the boat. Only 5. What will our dear mother say? Only 5. What will our dear mother say? Now he was also worrying that what we will say to our मदर. जब दूसरा ब्रदर जो कि राफ्ट पे था, उस बेड़े के पास था, उसने भी काउंट करना शुरू कर दिया. तो उसने कहा कि पहला ब्रदर तो लॉक पे है, दूसरा है ब्रिज के पास यानी ब्रिज यानी पुल के पास, तीसरा है रॉक के पास, चौथा है बैंक के पास, एंड पांचवा है बोट के पास. लेकिन वह अपने आप को भूल गया काउंट करना, और वह इस चिंता में हो गया कि मैं अब अपनी मम्मी को, प्यारी मम्मी को क्या बोलूँगा. एंड ही टू डिड नॉट इवन नोटिस दैट ही हैड फॉरगेटन टू काउंट हिमसेल्फ. लेट्स मी चेक फ्रॉम हियर, क्राइड द ब्रदर ऑन द लॉग. अब वो इस चिंता में हो गया कि अब मैं मम्मी को अपने क्या बोलूँगा. लेकिन इस चिंता में वो अपने आप को काउंट करना भूल गया. लेकिन जो ब्रदर लॉक के पास था वह रोने लगा, और वो बोला कि अब मैं काउंट करता हूँ. तो फिर वह काउंट करता है. आई सी वन ब्रदर ऑन द ब्रिज, दैट्स वन. एंड अनदर ऑन द rock, that's 2. And another on the bank, that's 3. And another in the boat, that's 4. And another on the raft, that's 5. 5 in all. Oh, unhappy day. Why did we even come here from one of us to be drowned? the the brother who was on the log, when he counted, counted, he said that one brother, he when he counted, he just counted like that. I see one brother on the bridge. He counted from the bridge. One brother is on the bridge, another on the rock, and another on the bank, that is third one, and another on in the boat, that is the fourth one, and another on the raft, that's five. And he also forget to count himself, that he was standing on the log. So he was telling that it was unhappy day, and why we came here, and we have lost our one brother, and that was the unhappy day for us. Then the fourth brother counted, and the fifth and the sixth, each one counted only five brother, because each forget to include himself. And the fourth brother counted, and the fifth and sixth brother also counted, and each one they forget to count himself. सो पहला ने काउंट किया, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा और छठवा सभी ने काउंट किया एक दूसरे को, लेकिन पांचों को और नंबरिंग कितना आता था, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 ब्रदर को ही काउंट कर पाते थे और अपने आप को काउंट करना भूल जाते थे. And all the brothers went back to the shore and rushed sadly up and down the river edge, trying to see body of their poor drowned brother. And अब उन लोग ना दुख के मारे वो शोर के नदी के किनारे के पास पहुँचे, जल्दी जल्दी दौड़ते हुए. रस्ट मीन्स जल्दी जल्दी, दुखी मन से नदी के किनारे पहुँचे. Sadly up and down the river edge, trying to see the body of their poor drowned brother. जो ब्रदर डूब गया है उसकी बॉडी को देखने के लिए नदी के किनारे जल्दी जल्दी पहुंचे दुखी मन से. Then along came a boy who had also been fishing, but who had not caught a single fish. What's the matter? He asked. You seem to have plenty of fish. Why do you all look so sad? तब वहाँ पर जैसे ही वो अपने ड्रोन ब्रदर को ढूंढने जाते हैं, then along came a boy who had also been fishing. One boy was also fishing there. They saw that boy, but he had not caught a single fish. The boy who was fishing there, but he did not get any single fish. What's the matter? He asked. The boy asked, what is the matter? You seem to have plenty of fish. Why do you all look so sad? Then boy is telling that in all of your hands to have plenty of fish, but why you all are very sad? Then what's happened? Because 6 of us came here to fish, and now there are only 5 of us left. One of our dear brother had been drowned. Then because 6 of us came here to fish, हम 6 लोग यहाँ पर मछली को पकड़ने के लिए आए थे, लेकिन उसमें से हम सिर्फ 5 बचे हैं, और उसमें से हमारा एक प्यारा भाई नदी के में डूब गया है. The boy looked puzzled. What do you mean? Only 5 left. How do you figure that? तो बॉय एकदम पजल्ड हो जाता है, आश्चर्य में हो जाता है. क्या बोल रहे हो, तुम 5 ही बचे हो. हाउ डू यू फिगर दैट, तुम कैसे काउंट कर रहे हो. लुक आई विल शो यू, सेड द एल्डर ब्रदर, एंड ही पॉइंटेड टू द ब्रदर. तब उसमें से एल्डर ब्रदर बोलता है, और वह बोलता है मैं तुमको बताता हूँ कि हमने कैसे काउंट किया है, और पॉइंट करके बताता है. कौन सा ब्रदर बताता है? एल्डर ब्रदर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 of us came here, and now only 5 are going back, said is the day. अब वो 1 2 3 4 काउंट कर लेता है, 4 5 6 of us यहाँ पर आए थे, now only 5 are going back, said is the day. और वो बोलता बहुत दुखी वाला दिन था, ऐसा करके वो बोलता है. The boy turned to hide his smile, and then he turned back. I think I can help you find your lost brother, he said. When I squeeze your hands, I want you to count. So children, I hope this much portion is clear to you. In next video, I am going to explain you the remaining portion of the lesson. So, let's see difficult words which we came across in this portion. So, decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided. Fishing, F-I-S-H-I-N-G, fishing. Picked, P-I-C-K-E-D, picked. Kneel, K-N-E-E-L, kneel. Raft, R-A-F-T, raft. Lean, L-E-A-N, lean. Log, L-O-G, log. Bridge, B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. Rock, R-O-C-K, rock. Bank, B-A-N-K, bank. Spot, S-P-O-T, spot. Chosen, C-H-O-S-E-N, chosen. Fallen, F-A-L-L-E-N, fallen. So, sorrow, S-O-R-R-O-W, sorrow. Forgotten, F-O-R-G-O-T-T-E-N, forgotten. That's all the droned, D-R-O-W-N-E-D, droned, forget, F-O-R-G-O-T, forget. Shore, S-H-O-R-E, shore. Rushed, R-U-S-H-E-D, rushed. Sadly, S-A-D-L-Y, sadly. Plenty, P-L-E-N-T-Y, plenty. That's all, student. I hope this much portion is clear to you all. In next class, I am going to explain you the remaining portion of the lesson.